The Mega Halo Red Team Warthog Rescue set features a versatile UNSC Warthog with realistic rolling wheels and a pivoting gauss turret, enhancing the play experience with its detailed design. This set includes a buildable stationary turret that can be customized with flame decals and features a short wall and front bumper pieces for added creativity. 3 highly detailed and super poseable micro-action figures, including Spartan Douglas-042, Spartan Jerome-092, and Spartan Alice-130, come with display stands and swappable combat accessories, allowing for dynamic play scenarios. The 324 bricks and pieces in this set are compatible with all Mega building sets and other name brands, offering flexibility for imaginative building. Designed for children aged 8 years and older, this building set not only provides entertainment, but also helps in developing creative thinking skills. Manufactured by Mega brands known for their quality and innovation, this set combines durability with the engaging theme of the Halo universe.